Alright guys, in today's video we are going to be swapping out the headlight bulbs in the Honda CRV. It is pretty easy. See the headlight, you don't have to remove it. Just at the end over here, the headlight bulb's right here underneath this. You see these clips? You do pinch the clips in and pull this out. Pop that right out. Move this to the side. Now the bulb is right underneath in there. Move to the grommet. You need to wiggle this out. So what you gotta do is just pop this out, work this around, then pop this off, pop off the seal, move the seal to the side, and you can see the bulb right down there. Now there's a clip in here. You push that down so you can pop out the light. It's a clip right inside here, right there. Push that down, move to the side, you unlock the bulb and take it out. There you go. As you can see, this one was burnt out, broken and everything. Now we're replacing these with these Sylvania Extra Vision bright ones. These are the ones you get for the Honda. Just pop this one back right in and it should be good to go. Alright, so now we grab the new one. Make sure you don't touch the actual filament itself, and just put that one back in. Put it right in. Take the clamp, pinch it over. Now that that's in, pinch that in. Take your cover, put that back on. And lastly, take the clip and plug it back in. Alright, and now that you have that all plugged in on both sides, and you do both sides of them, now all that's left is to start up the car and make sure that they work. So start up your car and turn them on to see if they both light up. Lights up. Lights up. Now check the high beams. High beam works. High beam works. There you have it. Real quick and simple and easy. Hope you guys enjoyed.